Video questions is CoderPad's newest question type for take-home tests and screening. It allows hiring teams to have candidates submit a quick video or audio response to a prompt and alignment to demonstrate their communication skills. There are two ways that you can use video questions. You can replace the traditional phone screen or use it as a follow-up to a coding exercise. For teams dealing with a high volume of candidates, replacing the traditional phone screen can dramatically reduce the time spent on screening while lowering cost per hire and confirming communication skills. You can also use video questions to follow up on a coding project where candidates can explain their thinking process and give hiring teams extra context into how they problem solve. Once submitted, hiring teams can easily review the playback and evaluate candidates on a standardized set of evaluation criteria. Setup is simple. Start by creating a new video question and defining the criteria. Then you can add as a standalone question or include with other questions in your take-home tests.